guys, IrwinTech here, back in this video. Today we're going to be showing you how to fix Lutris not opening on a Chromebook. It will just keep loading forever and never open, but in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that, so I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, make sure to smash that subscribe button with notifications on. That would really help me out. You're probably wondering, why should I subscribe with notifications on? Well, it's because I upload daily tech and Chromebook content just like this for you guys, and let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so we're on my Chromebook. These commands will be in the link in the description below for you guys to copy and paste. First, what you want to do is go to the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, click that, go up, scroll down to Linux Apps, click Terminal, go ahead and copy and paste the first command, Control-C, Control-Shift-V, click Enter. Then go ahead and do the second one, Control-C, Control-Shift-V, click Enter. And then you want to do the third one, Control-C, Control-Shift-V, click Enter. Do the fourth one, Control-C, and then you want to do Control-Shift-V right here. Control-Shift-V, click Enter. Do the last one, Control-C, Control-Shift-V, click Enter. And then after all of these commands are done, you want to go ahead and close the Linux terminal, click Leave. Then you want to go either to your time menu where it says your time, and then click the little reboot option, and then turn back on your Chromebook. Or you can just hold the power button and turn it off, then turn it back on. Then when you go to Lutris, go to your Linux apps, click on Lutris, it should launch like normal. It will launch up on your Chromebook. See guys, now it launched on our Chromebook. These are my games. I have one game right here to play. You can import games by clicking the plus, import games. And you can import games from your Linux games, GOG.com, Honey Bumble, whatever it's called, Steam, and Wine with Steam. So I have War Thunder. I can go ahead and import War Thunder, and that's how I can play that. I can go ahead and click on it and play War Thunder because that's a game I have on my Chromebook. And yeah, that's basically how you get Lutris to open on your Chromebook. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also subscribe for a shout out. Comment down below, subscribe, and get a shout out in my next video. Here are the shout outs for this video on the screen right now. Go subscribe to them. You subscribe to me, one of these shout outs could be you guys. Enjoy Lutris on your Chromebook, and it's IrwinTech signing out.
Got the mojo deals, we been tripping like the 80s. Pulling out the coupe at the lot.